One of the most important things we do as elected officials, as leaders, is we ensure public accountability, public trust in your government services. That when we charge you taxes, when we get public resources, we use them in a transparent way. We use them in an equal way to all citizens.
The police and the community co-produce public safety outcomes. They're much better working together, building relationships, and to help keep communities safe.
Studies have shown that when there's increased transparency and there's accountability, crime goes down. In Delaware, for far too long, we have not addressed this problem, that police and the community don't trust each other. So by having the community at the table, trust is built. SB 149 is one of the most vital pieces of legislation we've ever had in the city, in the state. SB 149 is going to be a game changer because it will finally allow civilians to be on par with the police in terms of figuring out how we make our communities safer.
The police could make places safer by building relationships and helping communities solve problems rather than going into communities and just enforcing the law.
Effective civilian review boards, very important. In order to give our community a seat at the table, we need to have civilian police boards because it allows the community to address problems with community policing relations. Right now in Delaware, the community has no seat at the table.
The City of Wilmington already has done our part and established a civilian review board. However, we do not have proper authority to hold Wilmington Police Department accountable. With the provisions to LEOBOR, it will allow for the City of Wilmington to hold Wilmington Police Department accountable.
Those are a few of the reasons why I think it's so important, why we take a look at the Law Enforcement Officer Bill of Rights. Not just amending one small section or two, but we go through it line by line and ask a question: how does this serve the public's interest?
I would urge the Delaware legislators to pass Senate Bill 149 this session. I also would encourage the Delaware police agencies and police organizations to support Senate Bill 149.
We must pass SB 149.
This summer, the City of Wilmington is rolling out a body cam program with the Wilmington Police Department. With the revisions to LEOBOR, it will allow for the City of Wilmington and the citizens to have access to police misconduct footage.
The same body-worn camera footage I see as your county executive, you get to see in every police agency across the state.
We've already been working on this for a long time, and it's the last step that we need, the help from the General Assembly, so we can have a fully implemented board. So I really look forward to having your support this upcoming June so that we can get over the finish line and we can really make Wilmington a place to be.